my video is okay. But at least I make it in a way people, because you can't make a food long. Are you cooking in are you using a charcoal to cook your food? No, food there, you can't make a long food. Even when someone is watching, the person will feel lazy. Yeah, so you are cooking and making in a way people will understand the recipe. Not too much over long. No, over long and people get tired watching. Yeah. So you can make long but not too much long. If you do that, people can't watch your full video. If you can watch, a lot of people who subscribe to our YouTube channel, they don't watch our full video. Do you know what they watch? They watch our shorts. They watch shorts, then they subscribe, then they will go and select a long form video, then they will just select them and write something. Okay, thank you for showing up here. I love you. You will see me on your channel. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. I see the sweet them independent. After I have to do a short bye bye. Thank you, mommy. God bless you. Hey, my head, I have to cut too. Sometimes I cut myself. Oh. Sometimes I cut myself. I take a big mirror, then I'll start shaving myself. Sometimes I shave myself. But this time I want to make it. So I'm not stressing it. Wawuno oba bewasasi so na hindi dana betudo newo friend no say owa ofutufu dadeja asumjehino neja dadaino dadai. Meyiwayo wonsanu juma yewawa mesomo. Hey, today I haven't seen subscribers I have. I haven't seen the quantity of subscribers I have. Nebesomo Yashewudine Nimonya Irade Wunye na bankase Obida Sita Beba Obida Ye Beba Obidi Nyom to Beba Ye Bebo Makade Nyamiye 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 Maye Nyamiye 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 Oh yeah Maye Missing the money would I make that was see. Oh, I be a mouse. Obedient to Baba. Ye bebo makadenya miye.